Danny Johnson here, and today we need to talk about the update that we found out about the new TVS 2.65 Thor. And yes, that's the new name that we're going to be calling it. Whipple has the crusher, the bigger inlet in the back, and now the new TVS has a new nickname called the Thor, and I'll tell you why we're calling it that. As you may have seen if you have a Facebook account, and if you're on the Cobra pages, I'm sure you've seen it. But basically what people found, this is a Whipple here, so don't worry about that, but what people have found is part of the instructions are to find the crossover tube here that comes around. It's a coolant crossover, connects from one side to the other. But on the crossover tube, they're saying that you have to beat with a hammer this inner portion side in order to make it fit. Because the blower is so big that it cuts off right here. So you have to take literally a ball peen hammer and bash it in and pretty much destroy your crossover tube in order to make this new blower clear that. So there's a lot of jokes going around. It's all good fun. People are laughing. And so, don't take it too seriously. But anyway, in the instructions, it's telling you pull out a hammer and bash it in to make it fit. So some people think it's a little unprofessional. Some people think that you should just do the crossover delete so you don't have to worry about it. Anyway, you can put in your comments the same. I'll show you a few memes that we made, all in good fun, just kind of talking about this, but it was pretty funny. So from now on, we're going to have the Whipple Crusher. You're going to have the Kenny Bell Mammoth. And on top of that, we're going to have the new TVS 2.65 Thor. Thanks for watching, guys.